Hey guys, today we're going to be building a trammel of the Archimedes. So, first we're going to build the base here. And I'm just going to do like a brief look over of it. I'm not actually going to do step by step of this. But you're going to need two 8x8 plates. And then you're gonna need like 1x4s, two 1x1 plates. You're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're gonna need 9 1x4. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 1x4 plates, or 8, whatever. 8, I think it's. And so you're gonna assemble it like this. You're gonna start off like this. And then you wanna take your other one and build the pieces like this. I had to use a 1x6 and a 1x2 here. And you put a 1x1 here, like a 1x1 plate. And then you have that. And then you're gonna attach it. So then it looks like this. Oops, hold on, something's messed up. So it looks like this. These are just flats. So then next you're gonna need a 1x1 flat, or two 1x4 flats and a 1x8 flat. So you're gonna assemble a 1x4 and a 1x1 like that. Put your 1x8 so it's in front of the 1x4 like this, and put your other 1x4 right so it kind of like goes after. Then you got this, and then you're gonna need 4 of these. It's just two 4x4s stacked on top of each other with two 2x4s plate or tiles on top. You're gonna place those in the corners. No, it's so hard to do this. So then it looks like this. And then you're gonna build the like contraption part with, hold on. 2 1x3 Technic beams, 3 gray pins, and one of these rims. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna assemble the 1x3s on like this. So you'll attach it to where the middle one is right there, like that. Oops. And then you're gonna look at it like this. This middle one is where you're gonna put your other pin on this side, like the other side. And then you put your rim in that. And then so to put it in, you want to put one in this slot and one in this slot, so then it's like angled. And there you go. The trammel of Archimedes. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, get that like button with a Nerf gun. Hit it. See if it actually works. If you like this video, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. This is so satisfying. Bye.